The Unbreakable Bond, a man and bird love story. Saras Crane, a beautiful bird, gets injured in a farmland and loses the ability to walk and fly. A kind-hearted man discovers her and decides to help. He takes care of Saras Crane, providing food, water, and a comfortable nest during its recovery. Gradually, a deep bond forms between the man and Saras Crane as the birds start to recover. Surprisingly, instead of flying away, Saras Crane chooses to stay with the man. They become inseparable companions, going out on adventure together. It amazes him that a forest bird has become his friend and chosen to stay by his side. Moral: true friendship transcends differences, and having a loyal friend is a wonderful gift to cherish. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.